and welcome. Today we are going to have a Pilates session for our abs. It's only gonna be 10 minutes long, but it's gonna be super intense. So if you're ready, let's get started. Three, two, one. Let's start this workout with a plank. Keep your core very tight and engaged. Very good. Place your feet like so, and now you're gonna push your body away from the floor using only your ab muscles. Give that arm a good stretch. Three, two, one, relax. Let's keep doing the same towards the other side. Okay, come back to plank and drop one hip, bring it back to center and drop the other hip. Keep going. Nice work. Place your legs like so, bring your hands behind the nape of your neck and dip down. Incorporate your obliques as much as possible. Amazing work. Let's do it towards the other side. We're gonna come back into that plank position and bring your knees towards your elbows. Come on, you can do it. Okay, now we're gonna go into Russian twists. You're gonna balance on your bum, feet above the floor, and twist your upper body from side to side. And for extra points, you can tap your elbow onto the floor. Use your stomach muscles to roll yourself up and down. You don't want to use momentum here. Everything should be slow and super controlled. Come to your side, you're gonna stack your feet on top of each other and you're gonna hold it right there in that position. Very good. We're gonna go into that roll-up crunches again. Come to your side, feet next to each other, bring that arm up and tuck it in underneath your body. Nice. We're gonna go into that side plank hold on the other side. And roll up crunch. our last move, we're gonna go into that side tuck plank on the other side. Very good, well done. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.